Hey guys, Scott Tendo here. I just witnessed something kind of cool. I don't know if you can see it from here, but there you guys can see. I'll see. But there's some deer outside. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but as close as I can. Isn't that cool? Wasn't that cool, guys? I never got that close to deer before, so that was the first. Oh, they're still there. I don't know. Just staring at the camera. Say hello to YouTube, guys. But yeah, there's some deer for you. I just thought it'd be kind of cool if I got that on camera. I'm just talking to myself. Here's my neighborhood. Here's the house. But yeah, that was pretty cool. And I guess while I'm out here filming the wilderness, I'll give you guys a little update. Again, a few new videos are coming out. I'm hoping to make a new one later today, so make sure to look out for that one. And also, like I said, I do have an unboxing video in the works. It's still in the works. Once I got any news on that, I will tell you guys. And also, I'm thinking about making another Animal Crossing video later today. I might. And I'm planning to make another one tomorrow. So, until next time, be sure to like, favorite, subscribe. And if I see any more deer, I will definitely film it, because that was actually pretty cool. I don't know if you... Again, if you couldn't see it, I apologize, but my camera is not the best. But, like I said, until next time, make sure to like, favorite, and subscribe. And make sure to thumbs up for the deer, because, again, I've never been that close to a deer. They're pretty cool. And I'll see you guys next time. Scott Tendo out. Oh, before I go, I almost forgot. What was it? What was it? Come on. I'm trying to think. Oh yeah. One more message. If this is the first video you've seen, definitely check out my other stuff. This is just because, well, some of my Animal Crossing fans have started watching my videos. Make sure to subscribe to my videos, guys. Again, I'll show you. There's the sun. There's stuff. But yeah, decided just to show off the deer. I don't know if they're... You see, oh no, you can't see them all. They're on the distance. You can't really see them. But yeah, until next time, make sure to like, favorite, subscribe. And before I end it off, there's a tree, and yeah, I guess that's it. Like, favorite, subscribe. Until next time, Scott Tendo out. Come on. And the button sometimes